Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. From today onwards, I will provide English contents also in this channel, along with usual Malayalam contents posted. I am starting a new segment which is named as For Psychology Students Only, abbreviated as FPSO. Different episodes of this segment will give you quizzes of different specializations of psychology like developmental psychology, general psychology, abnormal psychology, social psychology, etc. You can also expect different tips and tricks for writing papers, attending interviews, preparing for UGC-NET, different entrance examinations of psychology, higher education. I hope this will be a good source of reference for all undergraduate and postgraduate students across the country. With this introduction, I am going to start with first question of this developmental psychology quiz. Question number 1. Dash will become the outer layer of skin, the nails, hair, teeth, sensory organs, and the nervous system. Options are A. Ectoderm, B. Endoderm, C. Mesoderm, D. Dosoderm. Question number 2. The 23rd pair consists of sex chromosomes. In females, this pair is called XX. In males, it is called XY. Options are A. True, B. False. Question number 3. Dash produces blood cells until the developing liver, spleen, and bone marrow are mature enough to take over this function. Options are A. Chorion, B. Yolk sac, C. Amnion, D. Amniotic sac. Question number 4. 2 to 8 weeks after conception is called. Options are A. Embryonic period, B. Germinal period, C. Fetal period, D. Period of zygote. Question number 5. Organogenesis is the name given to the process of organ formation during the first 2 months of prenatal development. Options are A. True, B. False. Question number 6. Dash is the communication process designed to help couples assess their chances of giving birth to a baby with a hereditary disorder and choose the best course of action in view of risks and family goals. Options are A. Neonatal care, B. Fetal medicine, C. Prenatal diagnosis, D. Genetic counseling. Question number 7. Germinal period is the final stage of gestation. Options are A. True, B. False. Question number 8. A white cheese-like substance called vernix covers the skin of the child to be born. Options are A. True, B. False. Question number 9. The point at which the baby can first survey called the dash. Options are A. age of variability, B. age of viability, C. age of maturity, D. age of versatility. Question number 10. During fetal period, teratogenic damage is usually severe. Options are A. True, B. False. Here are the answers of all 10 questions. I request all of you to give your feedback as comments so that I can improve it in the coming episodes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel if you are happy with this episode. Thank you.